Hey guys, welcome back to Yellow Canary Designs. I'm Stacia and today I'm going to be doing a bloom pour and I'm going to use my spinner. This is going to be my second time trying it, so hopefully it goes good. And I'm going to use some colors that I have left over from a swipe that I did yesterday that was really cool. And I thought that they would be really cool in a bloom, so here we go. All right, let's center this. For my base, I'm going to use this off-white color. It is a mixture of, hopefully you can see that. It's a mixture of unbleached titanium and also titanium white from Artist Loft. Let's start with this yellow ochre. I made these paints a lot thinner than my normal recipe because I've seen people talk about that it's better for blooms if it's thinner. So we'll try this out and let you know how it goes. It's super thin. Okay, now we're gonna go to the darkest color I have besides the black, which is, this is Crimson by Artist Loft, and it's mixed with black, Mars Black. Try and keep that more in the center there. Okay, and then we're gonna use, this is Crimson mixed with Raw Umber, which is a brownish color. And the last one is Crimson mixed with, what is it mixed with? It's mixed with something that I can't think of right now. I'll have to put it in the comments. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit more of this yellow ochre. And now I'm gonna put, this is black, Mars Black, and it is mixed with a tiny bit of silicone, like 4 drops or so of silicone. So just gonna put some in the middle, and this is hopefully gonna give us some cells. Okay. Whew. I'm going to blow out that black a little bit with my handy dandy straw. Okay, time to spin and see what happens. Wow, that was super fast. Okay, wow, that's so cool. Yeah, let's do a tiny bit more. Let's move this over a little bit. My spinner is not very smooth. Ah! And I am not very smooth at spinning my spinner. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna do one more, then I'm gonna be done, I think. Okay, sweet. Cool, yeah, we have tons of cells, and then my base is coming through all of these lighter spots, I think because it was too thin. So next time I would do that a little bit thicker, probably. But it looks awesome. All right, so I mixed up some more base color. I just added white to what I already had, so it's a tiny bit off white, mostly just white. It's way thicker than last time, even more thick than my usual recipe. So we're gonna do both ends of the spectrum today. So here we go, putting on the base. Also, this is on a gallery wrapped canvas, so it's much taller. And I'm gonna layer my colors a little bit differently this time and see what kind of effects we can get from that. So here we go. I'm gonna start with the yellow again. I was watching Kathleen Miller videos and she just uses her little stick to put it on. Maybe that's a trick that I need to try. Okay, now I'm gonna start with my lighter red. And we'll go darker as we go this time instead. Stay on the canvas, please, little colors. Okay, and then this is the red that's mixed with black. And last of all, our black with silicone in it. Okay, and let's blow this out. Okay. And we spin. Wow, that is so cool. It's like super moody, and that yellow just gives it a pop. Wow, that is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna grab my torch and see if more cells are gonna come from that. Wow, I am loving this. Those dark purples and reds against this yellow just look amazing. In fact, I'm loving this so much, I'm gonna try even one more time with these same colors, except I am not gonna take time to mix up more white. I'm just gonna use some black that I already had mixed up, and I don't actually know what consistency this one is, so I'm just gonna shake it up and we're gonna try it on a black background. Okay, here we go with attempt number 3 with the random black paint that I have left over from something else. I forgot I'm on a spinner here. I can even see the other side. That should be plenty sufficient with the black. And torching, because there's tons of air bubbles in here. Wow, look at them disappear. And there's still some more. Okie dokie. I'm gonna do the same order I did on the last one because that turned out super cool. So our yellow first. Oh no, I think my base is gonna be too thin. You can see the yellow's kind of like sinking already. So I'm just gonna put a ton on here. My yellow's like all the way disappeared already. How crazy. Apparently this day is an experiment with different consistencies for your base. Okay, this is gonna be super dark. That black base is just eating everything up. This is so crazy how different they can turn out when you just change one thing. My spinner is super sticky, slippery from this paint, so it's like really hard to spin it. Ah, there we go. 2 hands. Definitely just got paint in my mouth. It's fine. Okay, guys. I don't think it's gonna spin too much more. So, there we have it. Okay, well, what a crazy experiment that turned out to be. Here are the 3 paintings. That first one with the off-white background where we put the yellow last turned out pretty cool. And the super moody one with a thick background. Some of these, some of that white came through. Interesting. And the last one with the mystery black background turned out super awesome. Okay, guys, that was kind of a crazy ride. That was super fun. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe so that next time you can see what other crazy adventures we have here, and I'll see you next time.